Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights or the device passcode so changes stick. Once done, backup or note which features are enabled, voiceover, magnifier, zoom, because you may want to restore them. Next, open settings and go straight to accessibility. On desktops, use Control Panel, play button Ease of Access. This places you at the control center for assistive options. Make sure to keep the device awake while you work so changes apply immediately. Now you go through the list and toggle each major feature off. First, switch off VoiceOver or the screen reader and verify the voice stops. This prevents confusion. Then disable zoom and magnifier so the display returns to normal scale, and switch off high contrast or color inversion if active. Don't forget input aids. Turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and slow keys from keyboard settings. As you work, use the on-screen labels and status indicators to confirm. Finish by restarting the device or signing out and back in so system-wide changes fully apply. Once rebooted, test essential interactions. Type, move the mouse or touch the screen, and play media to make sure nothing remains altered. If something still behaves like an accessibility feature, revisit that specific toggle and re-toggle it off. If problems persist, restore your saved preferences or choose the accessibility reset option. Troubleshooting tip: if the screen reader remains active, check physical shortcut keys and disable any keyboard shortcut that re-enables it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.